Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning goals and removing friction. Pick a focused gaming niche and commit to a cadence. This shapes discovery. Then enable monetization in YouTube Studio and link AdSense, because without verification you can't get paid. Once done, make sure your tech is consistent. A good mic, capture card, and 60 FPS capture improve watch time. Watch time drives eligibility. Also design thumbnails and a short channel trailer to convert first-time viewers into subscribers. You scale by optimizing both reach and retention. Test thumbnails and hook the first 15 seconds because higher CTR plus retention signals the algorithm. Once that's steady, diversify revenue streams, sponsor integrations, channel memberships, and merch, because ads alone fluctuate. Make long-form videos for session time and shorts to funnel viewers. Also implement SEO, use targeted keywords, add chapters and playlists to increase session duration. Make sure to track RPM and audience demographics to prioritize. You finalize by converting audience into recurring revenue. Enable memberships, super chat, and a merch shelf. Add affiliate links in descriptions with clear disclosure. When you pitch sponsors, provide performance metrics, impressions, watch time, and demographics, and offer mixed pricing, CPM plus a fixed fee. If growth stalls, don't panic, audit analytics, compare videos side by side, and run controlled experiments. If retention drops, test a different hook. Trim pacing or ask your audience directly. Viewer feedback often reveals the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.